Hello everyone, it's nice to meet you all again. So we are going to make a patch test on this lip vitiligo. As you can see, his lower base lip was a little darker tone. So we are going to match with that darker tone on his upper lip also. So this is not a lip blushing, so we are not here to do any of the pink colors or red colors or orange or any other fantasy colors. We are going to match his actual skin tone because it's a vitiligo white patch. So as you can see in this image, he has a lip vitiligo and we are just covering it on the sides of this with the skin color, and I'm going to make the same size of skin color on his lips also, so that it will be get covered completely and it will give the perfect smooth output. I am making a margins first. When we make the margins like this, once got healed, it will be looks much more prominent. It will not look like separate. It will be looks overall merged. So in this way we can make the more perfect and the natural output than little more a normal shabby one. So in this video, as you can see, we are started doing the patch test. If you have any more doubts or inquiries, or if you want to book an appointment, we have attached our contact number in the description as well as in the title. Please do check it out and contact us. Our team will be help you out to book an appointment. And we are getting clients from all over the world and from different countries also. Before, when you would be coming here, please book an appointment and then come down. Because if you did not book an appointment, then there are chances your waiting time will be getting increased. So please book an appointment on prior, then you visit us. We can serve you much more in a better way. I am matching with his lower lip tone. I am not going ahead and doing it with the lip blushing as I said you earlier. So his lip is little darker tone. So I am going to make a little darker tone, kind of maroonish as well as the brownish blood wine red color. So depends on this requirement, we are going ahead. Actually, I'm making one tone darker than his actual lips tone, because if I'm making the same tone, after some years it will start to get faded and it will start to look very dull. So that's the reason why I'm just making one tone darker tone, actual tone. So in that way we can achieve the perfect output. So the process almost gonna get over. It's very smooth, there's no bleeding, but there is a small swelling is there, but that swelling will be get settled down in 1 or 2 days. So it's not a matter at all. That's because of the treatment. That small swelling will be there, but it will be get settled down. So this treatment has given a much more best outputs as of now, and it provides the better results in the futures also. So as you all know, treatment requires special skill. So please book an appointment and then visit us. Not every artist can be able to do this treatment. So only we have a particular person who can able to do this. So please book and visit us. As you can see, the result was so better. It's smoothly done and it's a patch test. So I'm signing off. It's the end of the video. Don't die nude.